Hello guys, my name is Prav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create your free guest posting backlink, and this site will give you the do follow link and the instant approval. So this is a very best website, so where you guys will create your guest posting backlink. So the website name is handclassified.com. So this is a website URL, and for this URL, according to Acharya, the domain rating is 34, and according to website SEO checker, the domain authority is 54, and the spam score is only 1%, and this site is 1 year older. So this is the statics of this website. So this is a website URL and the dashboard, and I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you can access easily. So now we can start. So first thing, we can create our profile. So simply you can click on the register button, and there you can add your username and your email address, and also you guys are able to create your do follow profile backlink as well. So there we can use our email address, and there you can choose your password, and after that you can acknowledge the terms and condition and click on the register button, and after that we can update our profile details. So simply you can click on the select image, so where you can update your profile picture, and there you can add about your company. So job this, and after that you can uncheck this box if you don't want to show your email on your profile, and after that you can click on the save changes button. So we have updated all the things. So after that you can click on the social accounts button. There you can add your website or your company social accounts, Instagram. So we have added our social channels URL, and after that we can click on the save changes button, and our profile is successfully created, and I can show you this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see, so I have opened our profile in incognito, and you can see this is our company name, logo, and these are the social details. In the, if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. So we have created our profile. Now the time is to we can create this video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. We can publish our article on this website. So simply you can click on the drop down button, and there is admin panel, so you can click on this, and after that you can click on the add post button. I guess this, let me refresh once. Yeah, so you can click on the add post, then again add post, and this is your article submission dashboard, guest posting dashboard. So in the title section, there you can add your article title. So I have already generated content for this, so let me add my title, and I can also include my brand name, and in the summary and the description, so there you can add short description about your article. So give me a short description. under 165 series. Yeah. So you can see we have generated our description. So let me use this and also give me the keyword healthcare employee shortage. Also give me keywords for this healthcare employee shortage and so in the keywords meta tag, so you can include 2 to 3 keywords to your article and let me add employee shortage solution and another keyword is healthcare recruitment and in the tag section there you can do the same things, so you can add your keywords and if you wanting to add any URL, so you can. So let me add my home page URL over there and in this section you can add your article. Okay, so this is my article, so I have already copied, let me copy from there and I have also already inserted hyperlink in this content, so but the your reference I can also give you the example how you can insert your website URL on any keywords. Okay, so if you wanting to insert a hyperlink in your targeted keyword, so healthcare work shortage, so you can select your keyword and there is an option insert and the insert you can see there is a link option, you can insert your website URL and you can click on the save button, then you can successfully insert your hyperlink in this article. So I have already did these things, let me see. Yeah, so this is my hyperlink website URL and this is added, so we have added these things. So after that what we can do now, the time it we can insert a featured image. So for feature image, let me download this. So there we can add our feature image and after that we can the language is English, category, so we can select our category is healthcare and after that you can click on the add post button. So you can see this is a message post is successfully added. After that you can click on the post button, click on the again posts and you can see this is your article and if you can click on the your article title, this will be navigate on the next tab and this is your article landing page URL and if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see our article is successfully published and if I can show you, this is the hyperlink and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink with contextual, there is no any indication for the no follow. So we have successfully created a guest post backlink on this website and the profile. So this is a process for the backlinking and if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, So then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.